What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. So if you haven't watched the previous video, go ahead and watch that. I want to show you guys a little something that I just picked up for the Gen 2. Yes sir, as you guys can see, I got a drag pack set up. They were off of Hellcat, so hopefully they fit on a lowered charger, but I'll be putting these on a little bit later today if I can finish this car. So I've been working before I picked up the camera. Let me show you what I have done so far. So the previous video, we cut the back bumper piece out. Door handles and stuff are going back on. And currently doing the front bumper. Inlays. That's all I got done as far as wrapping the car. I am going to flip the car around and do the rear bumper. But let me finish this front bumper and I will pick you guys up after. So the front bumper is officially done. I'm gonna put that back together. I'm gonna put the headlights back on.
Katie, run it up.
It's so good. This has got to be one of the best foods that you can have. This is a burger. You can have any burger. Okay? Chicken, fried, and ketchup, and a wrap. Wow. Looking dudes. Yeah. Salam. Salam. I can't say it.
Let that shit ride, 88.
Stop on entry into the Taliban flag. On the Taliban flag right now. Yeah, we got Bob. They're like that. You luckily a boy. Here in Afghanistan. They just pulled up the
Alright YouTube, so it's been a couple days since I picked up the camera, but we finished the car for the most part. Let me show you guys how she looks. Sheesh. As you guys can tell, it is snowing. Philly is always on some weird stuff. One day it's raining, one day it's snowing, but as you guys can see, the car is back outside. I did manage to get the drags on the rear. I couldn't get them in the front because they're rubbing on the calipers. So what I'm going to do today is sand my, I guess you could say grind my calipers down a little bit, because they're not rubbing by much, but they definitely are rubbing. Either later today or tomorrow, I will be taking this to get some videos and pictures so I can get a better look of the color. But for all the people who said I should have left the red in the comments, let me know down below how y'all feel about it now. But let's go ahead and get the car in the shop. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little cold start. Alright guys, so we got the car in the shop. I'm gonna take the wheels off real quick. I'm not gonna show you guys that I do that a little too much, so let me do a little bit of magic for y'all. Boom, just like that, the wheels are off. Now let's go ahead and get the grinding, because as you guys can see from this wheel, instead of grinding the calipers, they grinded the wheel. I'd rather grind some of this down before I grind the wheel. But these wheels fit almost perfectly fine. Other side does not. They didn't grind the other side of the wheel, and I don't want to grind the wheel, so let's go ahead and get started on that caliper. I'm gonna go to the next caliper, then I'm gonna be wrapping all four. So stay tuned. I will pick you guys up after it's done grinding. Alright YouTube, so as you guys can see, we sanded down the calipers, and for some reason it is still rubbing. I don't want to sand down anymore, so I'm not gonna throw these on. So if anybody's interested in front drags and I got 4 pistons, let me know. Or maybe I'll throw the 4 pistons on just to take pictures with these on. But let's go ahead and start wrapping it. Can't wait any longer. I want to get that part done. So it has been a few hours since I've been working on the calipers. Honestly, they look really good from a distance, but they look like shit closer. For all my wrap guys, if y'all know a better way to wrap these calipers, let me know. Cause honestly, they were a pain in the ass. Like, I've been wrapping cars for over years, and them calipers are a pain in the ass. So if you got a better solution to wrapping those calipers, let me know. But they do look great from a distance, and when the reflection hits it, sheesh, they look crazier. Turn the lights off so y'all can see with the flash on. This is what you will see if I'm driving past. Like a crazy reflection. I don't know if the camera will catch it. Can you guys tell? But anyways, let me go ahead and throw my stickers on. I'm doing with SRT. And then I'm gonna throw my lip on there, throw the wheels back on there, take it out, and I'm gonna show you guys how she looks. It is much more sunny outside. If you watch my previous videos, you guys do know that I did have I ordered this car the second day since I bought the car, and it's been sitting in a box ever since. So now I finally got the car wrapped. Let's go ahead and slap the lip on. Little add-ons, but they do something crazy as far as looks. Alright guys, let me put this together and we'll pick you guys right back up. Alright YouTube, so we just made it to Wawa. That's my guy taking pictures. I need anything, I know where to find him at. What? Should I?
I'm about to go.
What you about to get? So I did take the drags off because I needed alignment, and on this side it was kind of rubbing. It was making my car sound weird. As you guys can see, this side got a little bit camber. On this side it don't. So I'm gonna get that fixed. But plus it's raining anyway, so. Alright YouTube, so it is the next morning. Today is finally the day we are throwing stars in the car. Pretty sure some of you guys know we do offer stars, but 9 times out of 10 I am working on customer cars, so I can never get to my car. Alright, so I finally got my key. Oh yeah, also I fixed my car. When I used to have to put my fingers under here, it wouldn't unlock the door. Now it unlocks. I fixed that off camera. I also fixed my ABS light. It was a little pigtail. The wire was ripped on underneath the rear cradle. I fixed that. You guys, the plain headliner now. I'm gonna do the sunroof, and I'm also do the pillars. So as you guys can see, no more lights on the dash. She is A1. Now, I did manage to reset my blind spot, but now when I go to put the car in reverse, my camera doesn't work. So if anybody knows what could fix that, let me know down below in the comments. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take my headliner out. this out. You got T27 though? Yeah, that's what you got in your hand. You got T20? Alright, let me see T20. No drill? If you say so. Right guys, as you guys can tell, the headliner is officially out. Let's go ahead and remove the styrofoam stickers. Make sure you guys do not touch this. If you ever do headliners, do not touch this with your hands. You will be very itchy. Alright YouTube, so it's been approximately 3-4 hours later. As you guys can see, we are getting somewhere. Got the custom words in there. That's about 300 already right there. In total, we are currently at 750 stars. Now it's time for me to start gluing, cutting, then I'm gonna start applying it on this part of the sunroof. Alright guys, so we are headed to an undisclosed location. I'm going to give you guys a quick little video of how the car came out, the final finishes of the car. I know some of you guys on the comments on my last video told me I should have kept it red. For those who commented red, let me know down below if you guys ended up liking the color or y'all think I should have still kept it red. But let's go ahead and go to this location and get this video for y'all. right, YouTube, we're gonna wrap the video up right there. Like I said, if y'all enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below how y'all feel about the color, and I will catch you guys on the next video.